Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to set up Slack for business step by step. Now, Slack is one of the best tools for team communication, file sharing, and project collaboration. So, whether you are running a small team or a growing company, this guide will help you get it up and running fast. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on slack.com. Over here, you will have to sign up with the help of your email address. Now, once you do this, you are going to see this type of create a new workspace section in front of you. So when you click on this option, it is going to ask you to basically create a workspace name. So here you need to provide the name of your workspace over here, just like so. Then press next here in the bottom. After that, you can just simply upload any of the profile picture as well if you want to. After that, you can invite your co-workers or your team members over here by using this particular link that is given. So you can also skip this step as of right now. After that, it is going to show you that you can start with the Slack Pro version, but I would recommend you to go with the free one because it is more than enough for you. So once you have done that, you are going to see your Slack dashboard looking something like this. Over here in the left hand section, we have the channel. Under the channel, you are going to see a bunch of different hashtags. So these are the channels and these are the hashtags that you can basically create inside these channels. So the workspace becomes your team's central hub where all of your communications are going to happen. So here you can invite your people, you can just start communicating with them. In order to share any of the media with them, you can use this plus icon and you can upload the media. You can also send the voice messages to them and you can use emojis, and in text too you are going to see a bunch of different formatting options here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.